Now in this video, I thought it might be useful to go through a very basic yet very important feature in Figma prototyping, which is horizontal scroll. And in this video, we're going to be using our mobile app design system. So on my channel, there is this huge 5-hour free masterclass on mobile app design that you can go and watch right now for free. And during this video, we create a prototype and we create a design system for a fictional mobile app, right? And in the follow-up videos, we also create these tiny improvements like new components, new features, and all that stuff. This is one of the follow-up videos. And additionally, if you want to save time and support the channel, you can also go and check out the link in the description. That will take you to my store where you can get the source file for all of this. So not just what we are creating in this video, but all of this alongside with that. And now let's get started and let's take a look at how we can set up a horizontal scroll in Figma for your mobile apps very quickly and efficiently, and using this design system, of course, because there's a lot of assets that we can use. Now we're going to be using our feature card. So why don't I copy this and create an instance of our feature card? I'm going to make this quite narrow actually. I'm going to make this like points. I'm gonna set the headline to headline. Now, what I'm creating right now, it doesn't matter what you use. It could be a rectangle, right? The principle for horizontal scroll is the same. But since this is fast to set up because of the design system that we have created, I'm just gonna demonstrate this using our existing design system, okay? So this is gonna be item 1, and we are not going to be showing our button. We're going to hide our button actually. And regarding the icon, I'm going to go for like a check mark. And now let me just duplicate this once and change that to a person. And again, check mark maybe. This is going to be, of course, item 2. This is going to be item 3. And maybe let's go for item 4. Should go for item 4. Okay. And how to turn this into a horizontal scroll. I'm going to select all these items. Again, they could be rectangles, they could be anything. So these items that I essentially want to scroll through or have the ability to scroll through, I'm going to press Shift A and I'm going to type in 24 in spacing. And I am going to type in horizontal scroll container. And now I'm going to shrink this, right? Shrink this. So it's about this size. I'm going to take this auto layout, Command X, and select, for example, this page and do Command V. Okay. And I'm going to go for fill container, right? So now the width of this horizontal scroll container is going to be whatever is the width of the parent, right? It's going to basically adjust to that. Now, when I launch the prototype and I go to list where we have our horizontal scroll item, you can see that it's right here, but I cannot scroll through that, even though it contains like all the items that I have. So what is missing? I need to do one simple thing, which is go to prototype, and with all of these things horizontally adjusted in prototype scroll behavior, I'm going to set the overflow to horizontal. And now when I return to prototype, you can see that I can now scroll horizontally and vertically because I already have the vertical scroll set up on my page. So that's how you set up horizontal scroll. Simple, but very important. Again, go and check out the playlist on mobile app design if you're interested, which this video is a part of. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one.